A scandal is brewing over alleged bribes paid by the Somaliland government to British legislators. Word of the payment has been received in Washington, D.C. The Associated Press reports that the allegations have reached congressional ethics committees. This could result in investigations into Somaliland officials' actions in the U.S. President Muse Bihi came to America earlier this year. He was hosted by the Heritage Foundation, where he made the case for Hargeysa's sovereignty. What else might he have been up to? British lawmakers have visited Hargeisa themselves. The latest encounter was in February, with a delegation led by MP Gavin Williamson. It should not be surprising that there are dishonest politicians who can be bought in every country around the world. But many in the West will see this as another indictment of Somalia's cozy relationship with corruption. Transparency International consistently rates the country as one of the, if not the most corrupt country in the world. Somaliland's actions reflect poorly on all Somalis, and one has to wonder about the state of mind of President Muse Bihi. Assuming he was aware of this, it is a huge international gaffe. He has been selling Western powers on Somaliland's independent development as a bastion of electoral democracy, a peaceful oasis in a war-torn region, a trustworthy partner that is ready for business. And now this. While there is no proof of misdeeds in the USA, there has to be a sense of holding Hargeisa at arm's length for the time being. This would appear to seriously derail Somaliland's diplomatic efforts for recognition. Perhaps now would be a good time for Mogadishu to offer an olive branch. Negotiations could be tricky, but while BC's government is wounded by the scandal, it might be time to see what can be accomplished at the bargaining table. ADN TV will continue to report on political developments affecting Somalia across the globe.